It's a 2015 Chevrolet Impala. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.